She always hated bullet bikes, too loud, too aggressive. Until she met him. They worked in the same office. He was calm, kind, and carried stories in his eyes. She never spoke her heart, but her heart spoke every time he walked past. A tiny smile, a quick glance, a blush she couldn't hide when their eyes met. And that bike, that noise, bullet bike, it used to irritate her, but now it's the only sound that makes her look back, hoping it's him. One evening, while heading home, the rain caught them off guard. They stopped under a tiny shop roof. Wet clothes, shared smiles, awkward silence. It was just a small conversation, just for a few minutes. But for her, it became a lifetime memory. Now, every time she passes that shop, she smiles, blushes, and replays that moment like her favorite scene. She knew it was a one-sided love. She knew he too looked at her the way she looked at him. Still, they know their fate. Every time she hears that familiar engine, she turns, just in case it's him. Because for her, that bullet bike isn't just a bike anymore. It's a sound of hope, the sound of what if it's him, the sound of love. Some loves don't need an ending. They just live quietly, beautifully, and in the hope. If this touched your heart, let us know by hitting that like. And if you want more such heartfelt love stories like this, don't forget to subscribe and stay close. Some stories are worth waiting for. Bye-bye.